What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. Only story of the day is about the Pixel 3 XL, and there was an unboxing leaked online on YouTube. It's shattered, took some screenshots from it. It's from, ends up being a Russian girl that ends up doing it. A beautiful Russian girl. Let's check it out. So I'm not gonna use the video because I don't want to get copyright on this. So I just, like I said, took some of the screenshots from the video and let's check those out. You can see the first screenshot we have is her holding the phone in hand, and the phone looks gigantic in her hands. That's because the phone is rumored to have a display of 6.7 inches. Now you take into effect how large the screen is on the Galaxy Note 9, which is 6.4 inches, and then add another 0.3 inches. This phone looks humongous. And then it also has some bezels for the speakers and things at the top and at the bottom, and the phone looks even bigger than before. So very big looking phone so far for the Pixel 3 XL in hand. Next up, you can see the Pixel Buds that are wired here. They'll be USB Type-C headphones, and they'll have Google Assistant built into it, so you can interact with Google Assistant with these headphones. Again, nothing new, but just to see it in another light. The next photo is her holding the phone in hand, taking a selfie. Again, you can see how beautiful she is. And then the next photo is the actual photo, at least one of the photos that she took with this, and the photo looks great. Pixel phones always take really nice photos. Another photo after this showing out the bokeh background, that blurred type background, and then putting the subject, in focus. It just looks really, really nice. Looks super professional. And then the back of the phone, this is the white one, which has like the plasticky looking type back. I like it. I think it looks really nice. It's gonna have wireless charging built into it, Snapdragon 845, 4 gigabytes of RAM, at least 64 gigabytes of storage. I would also imagine it's probably gonna have either 128 or 256 gigabytes on the higher end. So what do you guys think about that Pixel 3 XL? Let me know in the comments down below. Is it a phone that you're personally going to pick up? I am pretty much definitely gonna buy it unless something happens, but otherwise I'll definitely pick that one up. I'm excited about trying that Pixel 3 XL, see what new kind of things they bring to it. Maybe they won't bring anything new. Maybe it'll just be a brand new phone, and again, it won't be, besides wireless charging and maybe a bigger display, maybe it won't have anything different over the Pixel 2 XL. We'll have to wait and see. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Don't forget, Galaxy Note 9 owners, send me your 20-second video of what you like and dislike about that phone. Email it to me at GregglesTV@gmail.com or send it to me on social media at GregglesTV. I'm everywhere at GregglesTV. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.